Hi guys. I think you all know what has happened with the wizardess and the kind of situation she must be in right now, because uh, let's just forgot that she got cheated on with the fact that she is actually pregnant right now. So the emotions that she must be feeling or dealing with right now to carry a baby, and on top of that getting cheated from someone you thought is the love of your life. So it is really heartbreaking, but we all know uh, such a sweet soul she is and how much love she has within herself. And like that type of woman does not need love because they are love. And also, one thing that I wanted to say, which I learned from this situation, is that it is very important to be financially, you know, stable and earn money, especially for women, because अगर हम numbers wise देखें तो in comparison to मेल हमारी फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. वी आर नॉट फाइनेंशियली दैट स्टेबल एंड वी डोंट वुमेन जनरली डोंट रियली अर्न दैट मच इन कंपेयर टू मेन, और बहुत सारी फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट भी नहीं है. सो दैट इज़ समथिंग विच आई थिंक आई लर्न फ्रॉम दिस केस ऑफ हर. क्योंकि जस्ट इमेजिन अगर वो फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं होती, शी वुडेंट बी इन दैट प्लेस टू टेक दिस स्टेप एंड लीव दैट रिलेशनशिप and to grow a child just by herself. So it is really important to be financially independent, especially for women. Although it's very important to be financially independent and know your worth and everything. But for women, I feel like it is very important, क्योंकि अगर आप देखते हो कि आपका हाउस होल्ड अब्यूजिव है या आपका पार्टनर अब्यूजिव है और you have gotten cheated on, so उस moment में you shouldn't be like, oh, I can't leave this because I am financially dependent on that particular person. I feel like it is very important to be financially independent and have your own money and all. So yeah, that is something which I learned from this, and I wanted to share it with you as well. Ki how much it is important in this generation to be financially independent and know your worth. Don't settle for less, or always don't trust people so blindly, और हमेशा टेस्ट पीपल बिफोर ट्रस्टिंग देम. किसी पे भी अंधा विश्वास किया करो, और जस्ट बाय देयर वर्ड्स. किसी के भी वर्ड्स पर ट्रस्ट मत करा करो, उनके एक्शंस पे क्या करो कि व्हाट दे आर डूइंग rather than what they are saying. So yeah, that's it. This is something which I felt like sharing with you guys. So yeah, that's it.